Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a car that's pure adrenaline on four wheels, the all-new 2026 Audi R8. This is not just another sports car. This is Audi's ultimate farewell to one of the most legendary names in performance history. The 2026 R8 is sharper, faster, and more futuristic than ever before. Whether you're a die-hard Audi fan or a speed junkie, this one's going to blow your mind. So, sit back, and let's take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the brand new R8. From its jaw-dropping exterior design, to its luxurious interior, to the raw power that hides under the hood. The 2026 Audi R8 arrives as a completely reimagined machine. Audi has taken everything that made the R8 iconic, the aggressive stance, the muscular lines, and that signature low-slung body, and evolved it for the new era. The first thing you'll notice is the new front fascia. It's bold, futuristic, and completely redesigned with Audi's new hexagonal grille that's wider and sharper than ever before. Flanked by razor-thin matrix LED headlights, which look like laser beams cutting through the dark, the R8 now looks even more intimidating when it comes flying down the road. The body lines flow smoothly from the front to the rear, giving it an aerodynamic profile that not only looks stunning, but also improves downforce at high speeds. Around the back, the car gets a full-width OLED taillight strip, a massive rear diffuser, and those twin exhausts that roar like thunder when you hit the gas. Every inch of this car screams precision and performance, perfectly blending supercar aggression with Audi's clean design DNA. Moving to the sides, the R8 continues to carry its trademark side blades, but this time, they've been redesigned with carbon fiber and active air channels for improved cooling. The car sits on massive 21-inch forged wheels wrapped in performance tires that grip the road like glue. The 2026 R8's lower and wider stance gives it an even sportier appearance. And when those optional carbon ceramic brakes peek through the wheels, you know this car means serious business. Overall, the exterior design of the new R8 is a masterpiece. It's both elegant and terrifying, like a predator ready to strike. Step inside, and you're immediately reminded why the Audi R8 has always been the ultimate blend of performance and luxury. The 2026 model takes this to a whole new level. The cabin feels like you've just stepped into the cockpit of a fighter jet. Every control is driver-focused, every material is premium, and every detail feels handcrafted. The steering wheel has a new flat-bottom design with integrated drive mode selectors, start button, and performance toggles, giving you complete control without ever lifting your hands off the wheel. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus now offers a 12.3-inch high-definition display with real-time telemetry data, G-force meters, lap timers, and customizable views. The seats are made with a mix of fine Napa leather and Alcantara, with diamond stitching that feels as premium as it looks. They're designed not just for comfort, but for maximum support when cornering hard on track days. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic glow across the cabin, while the optional Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system turns the interior into a concert hall on wheels. Everything feels solid, precise, and crafted to perfection, exactly what you'd expect from Audi. Even the small details, like carbon fiber accents, laser-engraved R8 logos, and brushed aluminum switches, show that Audi hasn't cut a single corner in making this interior truly world-class. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2026 Audi R8 special, the performance. Under the hood, you get two incredible options. The base version comes with a newly refined 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing around 620 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. But for those who crave even more insanity, there's the all-new R8 e-tron hybrid version. This model pairs a twin-turbo V6 with electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping combined output of 800 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of nearly 215 mph. The new Quattro all-wheel drive system has been enhanced for even better traction and balance. Audi's engineers have retuned the suspension to make the R8 sharper on corners, but still comfortable enough for everyday driving. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission has been improved too, offering faster, more responsive gear shifts whether you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. You'll also find multiple drive modes, from comfort and dynamic to track, allowing you to tailor the car's personality to your mood. The R8 sounds glorious. That V10 scream at full throttle still sends chills down your spine. while the hybrid version adds instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration. When it comes to handling, the R8 remains one of the best balanced supercars in the world. The mid-engine layout gives it perfect weight distribution, and Audi's magnetic ride control ensures it hugs the road even on uneven surfaces. It's the kind of car that inspires confidence, whether you're blasting down a highway or carving through mountain roads. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Audi R8 isn't cheap, but it's worth every penny. The standard V10 model starts around $18,000, while the e-tron hybrid variant pushes closer to $250,000, depending on configuration and options. For what you get: exotic looks, everyday usability, and breathtaking performance, the R8 remains one of the best deals in the supercar world. The 2026 R8 represents the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. Audi has confirmed this will likely be the last R8 with a combustion engine, making it an instant collector's item. It's a tribute to everything the R8 has stood for: power, precision, and passion, while paving the way for Audi's electric future. So there you have it, the 2026 Audi R8, a car that blends old-school emotion with next-generation innovation. It's beautiful, it's brutal, and it's bound to be one of the most iconic send-offs in automotive history. If you love speed, luxury, and design that makes your heart race, this is the car for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the V10 or the hybrid R8 e-tron? Let me know, and stay tuned for more epic car reviews coming your way.